for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for